Hello folks. Today I'm going to discuss a little bit about solar again. Alright, here we go. Okay, today I'm going to be discussing 5 slides. Number 1 slide is where to use my resources wisely. I'm retired, fixed budget, the whole nine, interested in saving money. My heat bill and electrical combined for this month is in excess of $350. What I want to do is identify the biggest energy hogs that I have and start getting a plan in place to fix that. So that's what we're going to do. The next slide is identification of where most people use the most energy. That might surprise you a little bit. There were some prizes on this for me. I thought there were some that should have been larger part of the budget than they were. Okay? The slide after that is you've already identified the largest hitter. How are you going to attack it? So then that goes to the next one, make smart choices using solar. Did you know, I'm going to ask you this, did you know that you put solar power out in DC? Most people immediately move to change that to AC. Do you have to? No. You can heat sand, you can heat electrical elements, you can heat water, you can do a number of things by not converting it to AC but leaving it as DC power. Isn't that something? Okay, so there's a big expense trying to convert the DC to AC. It's huge, and we're going to get into that next. One of the next videos. Okay, so now we've got the largest energy hogs. We're going to make smart choices on how to use this. I don't want to get ahead of myself, so I'm going to leave that for a little bit later in this video. And the next two, we're talking about storing my energy. Alright? So hang with me, folks, and we'll see where this goes from there. Thanks. I am doing this for you. I hope you'll enjoy it. Bye-bye. Please hit to subscribe.
There's a better way to manage diabetes. The Dexcom G6 continuous glucose monitoring system, a limited